coverage of the Nisei Car Show. Now, the Nisei Festival is a big event for everyone, including myself. And when me and my friends used to go to this event, it wasn't so much for the car shows. It was actually for the festival, the carnival, which they have yearly. And this is held in the middle of Little Tokyo, where they have like a empty parking lot, and they would transform that into a little carnival where you could have like treats, food, snacks, hanging out, and then the street. Usually people will do the Nisei cruise. This is back in the day, of course. Eventually they had this official car show, which they call the Nisei Car Show, also in that same parking lot, as you could see here with my MR2. I used to go to this car show. But then they had to move this event again into further out, First Street and Hewitt, so which is further out from the middle of Little Tokyo, where they have to move the car show. So this event is from that time where they moved the Nisei Car Show, outside of Little Tokyo, on the parking lot where they had the First and Hewitt Street. Then, of course, after a few years after this, then they changed up into a underground parking lot where they had to do the event. So, it's not the way it used to be. Nisei is not the way it used to be. But again, here's just a look back at the car shows at Hewitt and First, which is the second place where they had the Nisei car shows.
Here you go.
Halfway. All right, that's not bad. Halfway before lunch. That's a good mark. Actually, quite more than halfway. This is according to a Wednesday night. That might have changed a little bit. Oh, the
14 is only 12. It doesn't spec is not person. So this one goes up to a 10.
Oh, okay.
So I mean the 10.
A 10 would be fine.
Yeah, the only thing is the offset's not low. Well, 10 negative 38.
Oh, that's
you said you want
10
to go,
millimeters beyond where I need to go.
yeah. So we could do it.
Right now I have 10.5 minus 25, and it's flush. But I'm going to super rear end narrowed, so I'm going to have another inch. So I could probably go to 30. The 9.5 is. No. I know. Hey, man.
About this and the guy Dave was on his car.
Huh?
He dated that car.
Really? filter already? Oh no, just a post. Not the filter today.
Are you guys giving out?
How are you? Yeah, we have some free stickers.
Oh, all right. Cool.
There's a website on the back. You can enter to win prizes.
Win free
Okay.
prizes, yeah.
All right.
Any pictures or videos or anything that you post on social media, just
Yeah.
hashtag Vivid Racing.
Vivid Racing. Cool.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Do they run better when they run better? No.
No, it's basically a liquid. It's like liquid coating. I forgot what, but it's basically you have to use electric to basically do it. So it's pretty crazy. It's raspberry.
What's up, man?
Oh yeah. Right, do you have to count it? Fire marshal's making us take it down if we don't go. The canopy. Fire marshal is making me take down my canopy.
Why?
If I don't give him $50.
Whoa, why?
I don't know.
How about everybody else's? No?
Yeah, everyone else has to pay too.
What the?
And then raspberry. Wait, why's my car on?
I'm just shooting around right now. But,
You do it for someone or?
not really. I'm trying to come up, but I got good shit going on. So check it out. And
Okay.
cool, man. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
go
What's your name?
Pete.
Danny.
Nice to meet you. All right. Take care.
Glad I got that. T37.
Well, I like that color.
Huh? Hey, you again.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Good, good.
Your car again.
Yes, sir.
That's cool.
Yeah, we sold off the Integra for that.
Hey, how you doing?
That's steak.
Yeah, that's why I want to get
They're not steel, that's steak.
good. Sure. Yeah, he went on the day of that other car show we went to. He got caught in his bow and pulled it.
Yeah.
85 GSL SE. Ring and pinions out of an 84 GSL, so it's a 390 gearing. Mustang, Thunderbird trans, it's hydraulic. Just Cobra motor really, stripped and caged. But it's my Canyon car, and my daily.
Canyon and daily?
Yep. It's a pretty good daily. Works.
Does it break down on you when you drive it?
No, never.
Really? Wow.
I built it pretty well. There's just certain little things that go bad with any car, like my slave cylinder went out.
Yeah.
It was time for it to go. Rebuilt that.
Yeah.
Got running last night.
How many? Oh, because you swapped it, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's right.
But it's a pretty good little car.
Yeah.
Pretty reliable. I need to clean up the wiring, but that's about it.
Well, what year is this?
It's out of a 91 Cobra.
91?
Yep. It's smogged as a GT, so I had to swap the little faceplate on the intake manifold, but that's about it.
How did it fit?
Pretty well. Didn't have to cut the firewall at all. Still got some clearance, can reach behind the engine. Tons of room up front in case I want to do anything extra like forced induction, but I'm pretty happy right now.
Yeah.
0 to 60 is 4.8, weighs 2,400 pounds with me in the driver's seat.
Wow. Pretty light. So.
Yeah, it is. I can start it up for you if you want.
Yeah, why not?
All right.
Whoa. How much horsepower does it have, you know?
Right now, only 228 for wheels, but 280 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
But it's all I need. 0 to 60 is 4.8.
Yeah.
But it's not meant for straight line. It's still got the perfect 50-50 down.
Yeah?
Down too.
Yeah. That's fine, that's fine.
For sure, like ours actually got the tension out.
Yeah? All right.
People just seem to be like, oh, it's a shit box.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, man.
No problem.
I like what you did to it, Pete. Yeah.
Tasting the ground, my J5 slam it down. On road to glory, out of the territory, just to become a master ceremony. Captain R, wordplay, metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on. Out of the territory, just to become a master ceremony. Captain R, wordplay, metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on. Metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on.
First time for everything. First time I let it in my bed, she got wetter than the perfect storm that we weathering together. And this the first time that I ever considered weathering. First things first, yo. Met her at the bar, rolling with 3 wise men like I followed the star. There she is, shorty bi-coastal, thick like 5 vocals, stacked like Tupac vocals, her body so local. Jeweler than now, so I'm romancing the stone. The rhythm is in the word to watch her dance to my bones. The way she moved them hips, let me know in advance that she grown. I pictured it like Paris Hilton when she answered the phone. Yo, dancing alone cause she extra fly. But I got no look, so I can't keep
stop, yo. Chiba, yo. Show shot, yo. Give it everything you got, yo. Once again, it's time. It's time. Yeah, listen to staircase, blood on the pavement. I fill the quills with it, let it spill on the pages. Compose another anthem for the killers and manglers, villains and wranglers. Fifth still in the chamber. Shit, I'm scientific with my reflex gangster. Pull out rages, all drummer flow in the basement. The bus, enough counters if my people's in danger. I'm Larry Davis, ducking helicopter, hovering government agents. We muscle the language. We'll read spitterly your shit in utter amazement. I'm high, rolling, quarter contagious. The shit the roots started, got these other artists going through changes. My vision is the strangest, the rhythm is anguish. Y'all niggas on the kitty in your formative stages. There's something in the iris in the way I spit. And tell these other crab rappers I ain't for no shit. Black dramatic, so there you have it. My batting average, a raw photographic assault. It's all classic thought. Put ass backwards rappers in a small package. Experience is all that is. I'm well established. Me and the mic and holding matrimony like a marriage. The technique in your reach, if only you could have it. For me it's automatic, it's natural. I'm not thorough, but with a higher path metal.
A couple years ago.
Now ain't no need for you to be surprised when we implement and improvise with each and every place that I get busy with. Lacing it with all the talk, time it's all time hard.
You guys the judges?
Yeah.
Whomever that's judging your car will need a copy of that. Then you need to go to the front over there. The very first booth at the entrance of the white canopy. When there's the rental van, and just ask for a copy. Because without that, it won't matter.
Okay, yeah, because I need to get it. I had it up.
Yeah, I mean, the other thing though, actually, does your windshield have numbers on it right now? Somebody paint the numbers like that on the windshield like that? Okay, if somebody did, that means they already
Street corner heavy metal, black like the pocket ghetto. My street credibility, minus negativity.
You can just kind of go through it with us, so we can kind of score it that way. Now that you're here. This section here is usually just for if you're not here, but since you are, it's better. 143 you said? Yes. All right, cool.
This guy's got a supercharger and a twin turbo.
Sure he does! All right, let's see here. Yeah, actually, is there anything going on under the hood?
Nothing at all.
Okay.
Just a gas saver. Audio entertainment? No audio.
Interior? Anything interior? No interior. Got a kit on here?
Yeah.
What kind of kit is it?
It's an RK Sport.
Exhaust?
Yeah, it's a straight pipe.
From the... Okay.
No more cameras than I want. I haven't rolled the fenders yet. So I just haven't had a chance.
Yeah, right.
They're 16 center and a half. 35.
Yeah. It's kind of weird. No, I had Mike Ty wave.
What time did you get here?
A little bit more. California for you.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
took all that shit. I was good at it. That was, I actually really just because they had automotive school, so I just went to chefs. They had a good automotive club, so I mean, I learned what I should have, but I moved back down here, and then they messed up my classes in the college I was going to, and I
Your dad lost. Your dad lost a bit. What? Your dad lost a bit. We're not leaving. Yes, you are. Are we? I thought we were just going to wait for them. Bunch of kids, and we want to wait for them. Hybrid. We haven't got such a hybrid.
I'm going to take a picture of every single picture.
Dude, we just got it.
So that's pretty much it for this coverage of Nisei as it was when it was held at Hewitt and First, which is just right outside Little Tokyo. As I mentioned before, this is not the original location where they had the Nisei Car Show. The original location was on a parking lot which was right on the street where they actually had the Nisei Carnivals, the Nisei Cruises back in the day, but that place is long gone. And so the shows ended up going to this location, and now it's also held into a different location, and now it's moved to like underground parking again. So Nisei car events are not the way it used to be, but this is just a look back in time so you guys can reminisce if you were there. If not, then you can have a kind of an idea of how it used to be, at least in the second location of the Nisei car shows in downtown LA. So there you go. Till next time. See you guys.